Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make better decisions. Let's get into it. How to make better decisions. 1. Clear thinking is the bread and butter of good decision making. The easiest way to improve the quality of your decisions is to stay away from any kind of decision making for some preset time, be that a day, a week, or a month. Over time, the same emotions that gave you a false sense of certainty will fade, and then, and only then, will you know for sure how true clarity looks like and feels.
I noticed over time that the quality of your decisions can change over time, and eventually, after a lot more data and your emotions are quieted, you're able to make the kind of decisions that you can be proud of for months or even years to come. And this is also one of the lessons from the book, Wait. Essentially, to wait as long as you can get away with before making a decision.
2. The more you learn, the better decision maker you become, simply for the virtue of being more aware of what you need to be aware of before making a decision. And this is even more important than just being right, as there isn't much of a difference between that who makes the right decision, despite its lack of information and wisdom to do so, and that who simply makes the wrong decision. The true decider is not the wise man or woman within, but the gigantic and outer coin flip we call serendipity. Sure, you won today, but can you be certain you will tomorrow?
The most important thing in decision making is to be good at making good decisions, even when you have to feel your way to it. And learning more about more is a good start.
Number 3. Like old wisdom says, there is a lot more to be learned from a defeat than there is from a victory. There are gold nuggets of knowledge to be found from a decision deemed wrong by a retrospective look at the past. As at the core of every bad decision lie the traces of whatever personal weakness or character flaws that led you to it in the first place. It's not enough to ask what you did wrong, but what about you made you do it? And maybe, just maybe, you will get to prevent not only a single mistake from repeating itself, but an entire class of possible errors of judgment without ever having to pay the price.
When you meditate on your failures, you learn not only about what not to do in order to succeed, but also about what personal weaknesses you may have that may lead you to make similar mistakes in the future. Like if you drove drunk yesterday and got into a car crash. By doing this exercise, you may realize not only that driving drunk is bad, but that the reason why you drove drunk is that you have an appetite for risk. And that same appetite makes you more likely that you will behave recklessly in different but still similar ways in the future. By knowing more about yourself, you can better prevent unnecessary mistakes, and thus make it more likely that you will succeed in the future. 5. It's from decision to decision that the self-decision making is sharpened, eventually enough as to allow for the selection of not only the next step, but the right next step from the set of other possible future steps. All of that under the context of the many more that need to be taken to make a vision a reality, whatever it may be. From the smallest of goals, so little we don't even give them the title of goals, to the largest of visions, with the power to change not only a single life, but humanity as we know it. The only way to get better at deciding is to decide more often, and to accept that even the best of us are not immune to the blunders that come from choosing what to do next and mean it, even when by meaning it, we mean sticking not just a finger or an arm out, but sometimes even the neck, if not the soul for it.
Hey guys, so here is our few thoughts on how to make better decisions. What are your thoughts? Be sure to leave it in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Share these videos with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye.